Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Let's see how dinosaur truck will find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Wow, so many cars. Yeah. Wow, Cruz Ramirez.
It's just like being on a real track, so put your hours in. Okay, let's hit the treadmills. Come on, show me what you got.
Wow, pretty fast.
Who's the racer? No. She's not a racer. She's a train.
Wow, very big Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Wow, Jackson, yeah.
Wait, who was that? I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Wow, Wingo, yeah. Wow, Astronaut, yeah.
What? Me? You got to be crazy.
Wow, so many cars, yeah. Yeah, Fillmore, yeah. Wow. Wow, Dinoco Chick Hicks, yeah. Wow, Smokey, yeah.
Cruz, get your head in the race.
No, wait. Tell her she's on a beach and all the little crabbies have gone night-night.
No, I ain't saying that. You tell her.
Wow, Flo, yeah.
Fabulous. I've never seen Doc drive more than 20 miles an hour. I mean, have you ever seen him race?
Wow, Holy, yeah. Wow, Dinoco Lightning McQueen, yeah.
Speed. I am speed. One winner, 42 losers. I'm faster than...
Wow, Hudson, yeah. Wow. Wow. Lizzie,
The only guy
yeah.
strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing...
Wow, Francesco.
Francesco is triple speed. Francesco is triple speed. Ho ho! Francesco likes this McQueen.
Wow, Luigi, yeah.
Black wall tires, they blend into the pavement. But these white wall tires, they say, look at me, here I am, love me.
Wow, Waiter, yeah.
Well, that's weird.
Wow, Dinoco King, yeah.
Strip Weathers have one more victory in him before retirement.
He's been Dinoco's golden boy for years. Can he win them one last piston?
Wow, Sally, yeah.